Now let's do the next part, hand lever. Choose right plane, sketch, select a line, draw a vertical, horizontal, tapered and again horizontal, exit. Let's define it. 0.5 inch, 0.875 inch. Now define this angle 45 degree and this gap 0.75 inch, and define this full length 2.25 inch. Okay, and go to sheet metal and select here base flange. Select direction 1, keep mid plane, .675 inch. Thickness we will prefer 0.125 inch, radius 0.3 inch. See here, this is better. Okay. Let's define the material, chrome plate, or go to steel, satin finish stainless steel. Okay, select this face, sketch normal, draw a center line, draw a circle with this point, exit. Now let's define the diameter, 0.675 inch. Okay. Now select here extruded cut, select this face and this face only, this outer face. Select here link to thickness, that means it will cut the whole thickness. Okay, see, select this face, sketch normal, select corner rectangle and draw a rectangle from both the corner. Let's define this height, 0.25 inch. Same here, .23 inch, 285 inch. Okay, now select extruded cut, select here link to thickness, it will cut only up to thickness here. Okay, see, select this face, sketch normal, and now here we want to cut a hole for stem. First select center line and draw a center line here. Now let's define this center line, 0.547 inch. Now the distance from this line, 0.167 inch. Select circle and draw a circle here. And keep the radius This is the diameter. Okay. Select line and draw a vertical line. Exit. Select this line. Select vertical. Select the center line. Mirror. Okay. Now choose trim entity and trim outer faces. Okay. Now define this length. 0.22 inch. That's it. Now here delete this relation. Smart dimension. Select this outer line with this line. Now define this distance 0.16 inch. Okay. Now select here extruded cut. Make sure link to thickness. Okay. Now this is our hand lever. Even you can select sheet metal, flatten. See, it is become flat. Unflat. So now save this part, ball valve, and save this part number 4, hand lever. Let's see the next part. Let's do the next part, packing gland. We will change the dimension inches. Select right plane, sketch. Select center line and draw a vertical and a horizontal center line. Okay. Now choose a line. Connected. Exit. Now let's define this. Point 0.16 inch. Select this line and define tolerance 0.003. Okay. Now let's define this gap. 0.5 inch. Point 0.25 inch. The same here upper. 0.577 by 2 inch. This mid 0.2 inch. Let's make the overall height 0.335 inch. 0.175 inch and select this small height 0.08 inch. Now see our geometry is fully defined, so go to feature, select revolve boss base. We will prefer this center line as a axis. Okay. Now see, go to option, documents, detailing, shaded cosmetic thread. Insert, annotation, cosmetic thread. And now select this outer edge as a cosmetic thread, and here we will prefer 1/2 13 up to next. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, and here we want to cut some polygon. Choose polygon, a vertical. Make sure the dimension 0.577 inch. Okay. Select center line and connect a center line from one end to this end. Okay. Now see, the geometry is become fully defined. Now select extruded cut. We will select here flip side to cut and choose here up to next. Cancel it. Select outer circle and just convert it. Now select extruded cut. Here we have to define the shaded area. Up to next. Okay. See, we will edit. No need, it's okay. Select this face again, sketch normal, draw a circle and make sure tangent with this line. Okay. Now try to cut, flip direction, make a degree 35 degree. -40 degree. Okay. Now see, fillet 0.015 inch, and we will prefer to select this face, sketch, chamfer 0.1015 inch and select this. Okay. Now this is our packing coupling, packing gland. Go to appearance, brass, and we will prefer to add some material like brushed brass. See, now save this part. Part number 5, packing gland. Save. Let's do it the next part. Now the next part is soft ring, soft seat ring. Select right plane, sketch, select circle and draw a circle. Select here for construction. Now define the diameter 1.19 inch. Select center line, draw a vertical and horizontal center line and make sure it is passes through origin. Intersect with origin. Now select line, draw a vertical and again connect with this line. Select here center point arc, correct. Okay, exit. Now this arc is created. Now let's define it. Point 5 to 6 inch, 0.13 inch. This center distance 1.02 inch. Select the same bottom 0.75 inch. Now select this 0.75 inch and define the dimension, tolerance plus 0.001 and 00. See, 0.001 inch and minus 0.00. The same for this also. Point 001 inch. Let's see this one, bilateral, plus 00 and minus 0.001 minus, and select this face, bilateral, and here we want to keep more. Select this is big tolerance. Okay. Now select revolve boss base. Select this center line as a axis. Okay. Now define the material. Go to appearance. Select plastic, texture. In texture, go bottom and select PVT MT1150. See, this is the plastic sheet. Now select chamfer, 0.3 inch, 45 degree, and select one corner. .03 inch. Okay. Now let's save this. Keep part number 6, seat ring. Let's see. The next part here is stem. Choose right plane, sketch. Draw a horizontal and vertical center lines. Select line. Connect. Make sure all the line vertical and horizontal. Let's define. Cancel it. We forget to change IP. Now edit. Inches. Now define. Select 0.395 inch. Select the overall smart dimension. Overall length 1.27. Tolerance we will keep 0.314 inch, and let's say tolerance 00 and the minus side 0.002. Okay. 0.25 inch. Select this tolerance. 0.005 inch. Select revolve boss base. Select outer line as a axis. I think all the dimension is perfect. Let's edit the dimension. Select this dimension and select here by 2 inch, and select this bottom also and press by 2 inch. Now select exit. Now this is our, we will prefer to add some cosmetic thread here. Select this upper edge and keep the thickness 0.3125 inch, 5 by 16, 18 inch. Okay. Now see, it's only up to half inch. Select right plane, sketch normal. First draw a center line. Select a line. Exit. Now let's define both the outer lines. Cancel it. Let's define inside lines. 0.23 inch. Okay. Select these 3 lines and make relation symmetric. Select these 2 outer line and center line, again make relation symmetric. Let's do it the height. 0.39 inch. 0.39 inch. That's it. Okay. Now here we want to cut through all, extruded cut through all both direction. Okay. Now see. Now again here also we want to cut some portion. First let's define some right plane sketch. Select a line. Connect with this line. Now select the dimension 0.03 inch and keep the degree angle 15 degree. Now draw a center line. Make sure it's vertical. Now go to feature and select revolve cut. See, it's going to cut a triangle. See, it's become a tapered. Now this time select front plane, sketch normal, and here also we want to cut some portion. So first define a center line. Draw a horizontal line. Select corner rectangle. Draw a rectangle up to here. Okay. Just mirror this rectangle to this line. Okay. Now select smart dimension. First we will define the outer length. Okay, it's by default 0.395 inch. Let's select smart dimension and inside distance. 0.16 inch, and we will prefer tolerance 0.01 inch, and let's see the height 0.15 inch. Okay, now select extruded cut, keep here through all both, select OK. Now let's see. Now define the material, go to metal, and for this we will prefer brushed chrome, or satin finish chrome. Now save. Save as part number 7, stamp. Let's see the next part. Let's make the next part stamp packing. Choose right plane, sketch. Draw a vertical and horizontal construction line. Select line and start from here. And connect with this end. Okay. Now select these two lines, make relation collinear and equal, two relations. Select these two lines and make relation collinear. Okay. Now let's define. First define overall length. 0.152 inch. Let's say okay. Select this, always try to keep center distance. .414 inch, and limit we will prefer 0.02 inch. Now select this line, 314 inch, and let's say tolerance 0.3 inch. Now select 0.01, 0.02 inch, and select this distance from center point, .434 inch, and keep okay. Keep decimal 0.3 so it will be visible. Now this is fully defined, so select revolve boss base, select the center line. Okay. Now let's define this. This is the plastic material. So just go to plastic textured and you will find out here white PV MT 11,155 50. See, this is white color. If you want to make little dark, just do it little dark. Okay. See, now save this part. Part number 8, stamp packing. Let's make the rubber grip for handle. Choose right plane. First make the dimension in inches. Right plane sketch. Now select a line and draw a line from origin point, exit. Now let's define this geometry. Make angle 135 degree, 0.55 inch, and the full length 2.2625 inch. Okay. Now go to sheet metal and select base flange. Direction when choose mid plane, 0.7 mm, and here thickness 0.15 inch, 0.03 inch the thickness. Corner radius, reverse direction. Okay. Now go to feature, select fillet and choose here full round fillet. Select first edge, first face, second face. Now select this third face. Now it's going to become a round. Okay, it's become a round shape. Select fillet, constant size, select this edge and bottom edge, 0.05 inch. Okay. Now select shell. Zero 0.0125 inch, select this face, click show preview. Okay. Now this rubber become a hollow part. See, you can see from inside. Now here we want to, let's do one thing, define the material. Go to rubber, glossy rubber, and color we will prefer red. Okay. Select this face, sketch normal, select center line, draw a center line, exit. Select text, select this center line and write a text here 3 by 4 inch. Ball valve. Prefer center. Select OK. Now choose here split line. Sketch already selected. Now select this face. Projection. OK. Now you can see it here. It's this all select separate and this body plane separate. See, so select this plane, this letters, and we will define some color. Choose one by one. Ball valve. Select OK. Now you can see it here. This is the rubber grip. So just save this part. Save here part number 9, grip.